chaotic mornings in the house. What, Scott?
Flaming Cheetos from I mean I can't taste my flaming Cheetos. I don't understand.
They was in the bag. You don't vote in the bag.
You give me idiot onion chips.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. Baby said hey, so welcome back to my video. I said my video, y'all, I'm tired. My channel, it's 10:15 a.m. I look crusty dusty, but it's okay. I'm about to take a quick shower. I'm about to show y'all how to spend 10,000 in one day. 10,000 Jamaican dollars. We about to go stock up on some of our food and stuff, so I'm going to show y'all how 10,000 JMD goes like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, alright y'all.
I'm only 5 minutes away.
Stop! So, I'm about to get the day started. Take my shower. Driver on the way. Yeah, so yeah, that's where the first amount of the money goes to the driver. We usually will take a taxi, but with the baby I just prefer to do the driver. Yes y'all, so I just got done doing my routine. Hold up. So I just got done doing my little face routine, taking a shower. I look more moisturized than I did earlier, so I'm about to try to just do my hair. This smells like this. Oh my god, y'all see the chaotic mornings in the house. What, Scott?
We get flaming Cheetos from I mean I can't taste my flaming Cheetos. I don't understand.
They was in the bag. You don't vote in the bag.
You give me idiot onion chips.
Nobody told you to pick that. Anyways, our chaotic household. Me and this man be going at it. But we about stupid stuff. Like, do y'all just go at it with y'all partners about just dumb, stupid shit? That's how I be with us. Just dumb, stupid stuff. Like a playful argument can just turn into some crazy, escalated shit. You hear me? But, yeah, so I need my eyebrows done. I was gonna tell him to do it because he can do it, but yeah, so right now I'm just trying to figure out if I need to just rock it natural or I can just, you know, put maybe 2 ponytails. Let's see how that goes. Oh, goddamn, it broke. What the hell? That was weak. I don't know if I got another one. That's what I need to get when I'm in the store. Hair ties. Oh, these weak ass. This look crazy. This look dumb as shit. This look dumb. Hold on. I know that my hair look wild, right? But that's the purpose of locks. You just have to embrace it, you know? So I think that's what I'm about to do. Just wear my hair down because this ain't working. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, so this is how I'm going out. Just natural and free. And it is raining. It just started raining. I put my baby on some shorts and a shirt, but now I'm contemplating. Maybe I need to change his outfit. I don't know. But yeah, we're about to go to the ATM, get money, and yeah. So y'all, we are just waiting for our driver to come. And I told y'all we gotta pick up money. I'm still just making videos because our driver, we love him, but every time he say it's time, he gonna come when he feel like it. Exactly. So we'll tell him a time and we get all ready. And we just sitting. So yo, that's all we have to do. I just keep getting on the camera because we waiting. And I want to show y'all his little cute little outfit. So that's what we doing. And yeah, we still have our tree up. Let me show y'all. We spent all that money on this, so we gonna leave it up until we feel like taking it down. Well, he spent all that money on it, not me. But yeah, what y'all doing? I'm so confused. You just letting him do you like that, Ramon? Handling my baby all type of ways. But yeah, y'all. So yes, I told you I keep getting on the camera because we just sitting here literally waiting and waiting with nothing to do. That's probably him. No. Then he gonna tell me traffic. There ain't no traffic.
Yeah, we're going. We're going.
In town. He got. In town. And then he got to stop by MoneyGram.
Yeah. Is it young boy?
You back there with yourself? You back there with you not give me no fuck.
I got a fork for him.
Baby boy.
You didn't give me no fuck.
Baby boy.
What's in your fork for? Oh, salad. I gotta cut this egg up for him real quick. So we just now getting in the car, y'all. Was making sandwich.
The first year up.
One close to Island.
Okay. Okay. Coconut milk. Don't we need to get flour? And then I think just that one, that size rice. What's that, 5 pound? Okay, so now I need some pads. I don't see the one thing. Let me see. I use. So we got chicken, water, flour, napkins. We need the napkins, right? I just thought we'll be in the kitchen. We in the store still trying to debate what we need. We got all our basic necessities. Do we need
Soap.
We need soap?
We need soap.
Which one? We need soap. I got the what's they call it soap for him, but we need to give him some wipes. So y'all, we just made it back. Our driver just left. I'm tired. We went to like 3 different stores. I'm trying to find an SD card reader because with these new little computers, laptops, they don't come with the actual like SD card area where you can put the SD card in. So I'm trying to find a reader. I know in the store we showed y'all everything. So yeah, that's pretty much like a day in the life, what we do. The groceries end up being 10,000 JMD. So this video was, you know, what all can you get for 10,000 JMD in one day. So yeah, so y'all saw everything. I don't necessarily think I need to do a haul showing y'all what we got, because I think I did a good job doing that at the store. Just had to get like, you know, little things, little household things, female things, and yeah, we need to still get wipes for the baby, but he has 1 pack, so that's why I wasn't really stressing about getting it today. And yeah, so we tried to do everything before Scott has to go to work. So yeah, he's been working like crazy, so we wanted to get everything out. We wanted to get everything out of the way before he goes to work. We just have a routine where we just working this thing out. We're first-time parents, so you know, and also we have a unique situation, so we parent from afar, you know, and then we come together as one. So being here with him has been just like, I don't know, when women say they don't need a man, I need a man. I need this man, because parenting on your own is a lot. So being able to come and be able to have that support system from him is amazing. He's amazing. He's an amazing father. I'm an amazing mother, and we're just doing the best that we can. So yeah, I just want to make more videos like these so you all can kind of see like my life being a foreigner in another country. Of course, it's not glitz and glam. Vacationing somewhere and living somewhere is 2 different things, but I'll make a video for that for another day. But I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I hope that it was nice to see, refreshing, and yeah, so I am about to cook, try to put up these groceries, and we out. So thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Peace. Bye.